Hello guys, welcome to the social fixer. In this video, I will guide you that how you can see that who share your reel on your Instagram account. You can easily find that who share your reel. To do this, first of all, open your Instagram app. From here, click on your profile. Select any reel you want to see your share. Now click on three dots on your reel. First of all, you have to turn on your professional mode. If you not turn on, please turn on before doing this. From here, you have the option of View Insights. Click on this. Scroll down. Here's the option of Reels Interaction. You can see a number of shares, but you don't see who shared your reel. Instagram don't have completely features of this, but soon it features coming soon. I will help you that how you can see your reel that who shared. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.